this is Dude and his mouth's watering because he's just seen what I've put in his bowl. Go on, Dude, eat it all up. Yes, it's steak. Look at him jumping on that. He loves it. You can eat it. You see, some people would call this criminal. But I don't call it criminal because I'm a vegetarian. So it doesn't worry me that I give my dog meat. He's absolutely loving it. And if you can hear the noise he's making. Let's try and get in a bit closer. Oh, dude, isn't that lovely? That's not going to take long to finish, is it? I think he's savouring it. It's going down quite quickly, but he's loving it. I do love my dog and I have to reward him sometimes because he's such a good boy. He lets everybody into his home. He never makes a fuss. He just welcomes all the dogs in. It's all gone now, Dude. You can lick the bowl out, but it's definitely all gone. Hey, look. Doody. You can't believe it. Anyway, that's gone, and so are we.